Curious about the dashboard indicators and cluster display in the 2021 to 2023 Volvo V60? But how do these symbols enhance your time on the road? This guide will explain everything you need to know. Interior view. The dashboard of the Volvo V60 features a sleek digital instrument cluster, central touchscreen, and minimalist design. The instrument cluster in the Volvo V60 is a fully digital display that shows speed, navigation, driver alerts, and vehicle status. The LCD touchscreen in the 2021 to 2023 Volvo V60 serves as the central control hub for navigation, media, climate, and vehicle settings. The gear shifter in the 2021 to 2023 Volvo V60 features a compact, modern design with electronic shift-by-wire functionality. The climate control system in the 2021 to 2023 Volvo V60 is managed through the touchscreen, offering dual-zone or optional 4-zone automatic temperature regulation. The steering wheel features a heated, leather-wrapped, height and reach adjustable multifunction steering wheel with buttons for cruise pilot assist, audio, phone, and voice controls. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators, warning indicator, seatbelt reminder light, airbag light, fault in brake system, parking brake, faults in electrical system, high engine temperature, assistance at risk of collision, low oil pressure, information. ABS fault, reduced performance. Emission system, rear fog lamp. Tire pressure system, fault in the headlamp system. Stability system sports mode. Active main beam. Automatic brake, front fog lamp. Position lamps, left and right hand direction indicator. Preconditioning, lane assistance. Rain sensor. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.